Good afternoon and welcome to Del Norte, Colorado. We are out here just a little bit northwest of Del Norte looking at a house today. This is 2 bedrooms, 2 bath, 2-car garage on 10 acres. We are on the corner of County Road 15 and County Road 66A. The town of Del Norte is about 4 miles this direction. The town of South Fork is about 10 miles this direction. Wolf Creek ski area is over here. The town of Creed, Colorado is over here. This is a custom built home. It was built in roughly 2004 and it's very solid, and inside you'll see how beautiful it is. I want to take you around the outside real quick and show you a couple of key features. This front deck here faces south. It's really nice. It gives you a lot of southern exposure, but it also has this lattice work up in here to keep the brutal sun from hitting your windows when it gets later in the year, like it is now. It's June. So it keeps your windows shaded as it gets further into the year. This here is the well house. This property has a really good well. If you check in the comments section, there's a link to the well permit and it will show you all the details on that. The nice thing about this is this little well house comes off if you need to get in there and fix the, pull the pump, or if you ever have to do any maintenance to it, that cover comes off. So we'll walk around the outside real quick and then I'll take you in. It's been very well maintained. It's very comfortable. We have a poured concrete foundation here, not concrete block, but it is poured concrete. Good ventilation down in there. We have vinyl windows. Your septic system is going to come out of the house here, and your tanks are going to be here, and your leach lines are going to be out this direction. I'm not exactly sure where they are, but they're right in here. Next door, you can see there's a fence right here. There's some llamas or maybe alpacas in that pasture there. Your property is going to run along this fence line by the alpacas out to this utility pole and then out to the street, roughly down around that utility pole there. So it's 10 acres square just outside of the town of Del Norte. This is intended to be a full property showing, not your typical video tour. I want you to feel like you're just with me and we're looking around the house, so I'm not going to edit it or cut anything. Just want you to see what I'm seeing. Okay, so out here, this is County Road 15 and this is County Road 66. If you take County Road 66 this direction, you can go up Old Woman's Creek, and there's 500 miles of Jeep trails that you can get to without having to get, trailered up and, put your ATV or your dirt bike on a trailer. You don't have to do that. You can ride out and you can get all the way to Creed without ever getting on a trailer. So then back in here, we have a concrete patio, and this is going to be facing east. So it will be kind of shaded in the evenings if you want to have a barbecue or whatnot out here. This is a great place to do that. Full concrete, full privacy fence. Okay, let's go ahead and go inside. This is nice. The gate here is set up for pets, so you can let the pets out on the deck and not have to worry about them escaping. And we step in here, we step into the laundry room. So we start here, we step into a mud room, and in here we have a full bathroom, tub, shower, toilet, and sink. Some storage back here, And this opens into the second of 2 bedrooms. So this is nice. You can access this bathroom either through the bedroom or through the mudroom. Here's our kitchen, very spacious. Look at these beams, look at the house. It's so pretty. So our kitchen has a dishwasher, an electric oven and range. Here's your fridge and freezer. And then our pantry is kind of set up like closet doors, which I think is really unique and gives you so much more space than traditional cabinets. I just really love that. So there's that one. And then there's the same here. Same thing. And this is set up with power inside here, so the toaster and like your other mixers and whatnot don't have to be on the counter. How slick is that? And this house is all electric. There's no propane, just so you know. I want you to take a look at these hand-carved valances. They are so pretty, so cute, and so well done. There's that one, and then there's another one over the other front window. Here's our living room. And this house is entirely made of aspen. It's not pine, it's aspen. Here's the other valances. In here we have the laundry room. Washer dryer. And then a linen closet here. And the nice thing is this linen closet opens up into the other bedroom. So if you wash something, you can hang it here and then it can be accessed from the other bedroom. Pretty darn smart. This here is an electrothermal storage unit. So this is an electric heater that works on your off-peak hours. So we have on-peak hours for electricity, which are expensive, and off-peak hours, which are cheap. This is going to take your off-peak cheap electric, and it's full of bricks and sand. It heats up the bricks and sand when the electricity is cheap, and then releases it back into the room when the electricity is more expensive. So it's an even, low even kind of heat that is affordable. And it's also really great because if the power goes out, you have 12 to 18 hours of heat stored in your house, and it will keep your house from freezing. It will also reset itself if the power comes back on and just start right back up. A lot of times your like your forced air furnaces will not reset themselves. So that's a great heater to have. So this is a great bedroom. It's large. We've got a king size bed here, so you can see how much space is available in this room. You've got an ensuite bathroom here. Just beautifully done. All the little details, everything was custom built. This bathroom just has a shower. There's not a tub in this one. Everything's one level. And there's some more storage over here. Our closet, the closet in the primary bedroom here is huge. Look at this. All the storage you could possibly want. And your crawl space is right here. And that's the only way into the crawl space because the foundation is poured concrete all the way around. So all the storage for stuff that gets in the way, like comforters and bedspreads and extra pillows and all that stuff up there. And over here, I showed it briefly, there's an office space, which is really convenient. And you've got an exterior entrance back out onto the porch. So this goes onto the porch. And you can enter from here as well. So you've got desk space kind of tucked away. a really large primary bedroom. And then we'll come back out here into the main living area. Now, a lot of this furniture is going to remain. So I don't want to say it's fully furnished, but it is going to be largely furnished. Okay, if you have any questions, my name is Dee. Give me a call, and my number is 719-873-5605. If you check the comments, you'll find a drone video and additional photos. You'll find a link to the well permit and all of that stuff. This neighborhood does not have any covenants, so you can do short-term rentals if you want. It's a nice cabin for mountain adventure, and there are no covenants. We were in the county, so the town does not control your short-term rental permits. It's set up for adventure. We're right there on the national, not the national forest, but we're right there. I mean, you can get to the national forest in minutes, just right up the road. So it's a great base camp for all of your adventures in southern Colorado. Again, my name is Dee. Check the comments for all the details and the price. I don't like to put the price in my videos because real estate prices change, and then I would have to make a whole new video. So anyway, if you have any questions, give me a call, 719-873-5605. And thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.